Need a full, accurate transcription of your Google Meet call? Here's the quickest way to do it using MeetGeek. MeetGeek automatically joins your meetings, records them, and generates high-quality transcripts and summaries. No manual work needed. Step 1. Sign in to your MeetGeek account at meetgeek.ai. If you're new, create a free account in under a minute. Step 2. Make sure your Google Calendar is connected. This lets MeetGeek auto-detect your upcoming Google Meet calls. Step 3. Choose how MeetGeek will join your meeting. You can enable auto-join, add the note-taker manually, or use the MeetGeek Chrome extension if you don't want a bot joining. Now join your Google Meet as usual. MeetGeek will join automatically or as soon as you or someone accepts it. Throughout the call, MeetGeek records and transcribes everything, including speaker labels, highlights, and action items. If you use an AI voice agent, it can even join your Google Meet in real time and answer questions during the call, without disrupting the conversation. After the meeting, head back to MeetGeek. Your transcription is ready instantly, along with AI summaries and key insights. You can download your transcript, copy sections, create clips, or share the full summary with your team. Generate accurate Google Meet transcriptions in seconds, automatically. Try MeetGeek free at meetgeek.ai.